So at the moment there are a large number of patient-reported outcome measures, and we're not really sure which of them is the most salient or gives us the best idea of how MS affects an individual. And so there's a lot of ongoing work to see if we can tease out which of them is more useful, both from a trial perspective to see if we can gain any extra information from them, and from an individual perspective to see if that treatment is translating from our clinical reported outcome measures into benefit to the individual themselves. I think two ways in which you can look at that then are, one is whenever we assess a medication and how effective it is, then you need to also look at the cost-benefit analysis on a societal level. And in order to do that, you've got very generic outcome measures which go across all the different types of conditions or multiple different types of conditions, but there's a growing interest in ones which are more specific to people with those specific types of conditions that you're assessing, because obviously the general public will have a different experience to people who have progressive MS, for example. And the other aspect is to see whether or not we can use those as an early indication of whether or not a treatment is effective. But that's some ongoing work.